Do you have to use it a size 13? I have.
I'm take my jacket.
Take your shoes off and go around these boxes.
Could you pass the list?
Should be sat there watching us eat lunch and thinking, oh, wish I had.
Oh, it's too, darling.
Need to put it on down over there. Thank you.
15 names on that list.
Would you like to say a few words?
Like
B. Oh, thank you for that.
somebody hasn't signed for
Oh,
it.
that's lovely.
How are we doing? Is everybody here? That's the main thing.
Yeah.
But we don't recognise
Chain gang.
Oh, let Leslie explain that.
You have to excuse me, my phone keeps going this morning. Just excuse me a sec, please. Wife, Lynn, started this business in 1984 from our little tiny cottage on the High Street in Marshfield, number 6 the High Street, in a kitchen about half the size of this room. And at that time, in 1984, there was a lot of delis in Bath, plus Jolly's Food Hall, which you probably all remember. So we got off to a bit of a flyer. Nowadays, there's hardly any delis. So it would have been very difficult to start a business now. But in those days, we started it, we had an old car, I used to do deliveries, my wife used to cook. We spent hours and hours. We started at 6 o'clock in the morning, finished 2 o'clock the following morning. We worked out Sunday. I'm only going to stop here for a second, because this is the star of the show. This is my wife.
We've got to say hello, Grandma.
Lynn is the one.
Hello, Grandma.
Lynn is the one that did all the recipes, started off, and is the brilliant cook. So, you know, it's all down to Lynn, really. Everything you see in here, just remember where it's from. Come on then, let's go. Off we go. Off we go. Last one.
I'm taking a little bit of video. Well, because you're the famous person.
Oh, I started
So-
it, but I wouldn't, without all these wonderful people, I wouldn't be able to keep it going. We've got a really good team now.
Do you taste it very often?
Yeah, I do actually.
Or are you
That's why
tired
I'm
of the
like I
taste?
am, yes.
But it's not the same product. This has got a lot more air in it because we're doing it by hand. And these are old cement, these are actually cement mixers. And we sent them up to Cheshire to be what they call tinned.
Right.
And that's what it is, so it's all hygienic. And that thing's going non-stop from 7 o'clock in the morning till 8 o'clock at night.
Sorry, it's all butter. No.
Yeah, but it's before that, we've got nothing in
Plain,
it.
it's got nothing in it.
We do about 6 different shortbreads that we include.
All those chopped chips, everything is pure farmhouse butter. That's the best.
Yeah. Long cheese, it's called long cheese sales. They're mostly got, they do cheese and butter.
This is how good it was. They made our butter on Monday and they delivered it on Tuesday. So it's really great.
It's actually made.
All right.
Your bits go.
I've been with us for 19 years, and the 2 young ladies who sit here over there, Sarah, Catherine, and they all live with us. Everybody was everybody was they live in Marshfield. They've been with us for quite a few years. Now, what they're making basically, remember I was telling you about inclusions first. These are those Cambridge, down the road, which are making desserts for second. And this is, I'm not sure what it is. And they put this in the bottom of the pot. And they put all the butters, which are set, well, they're cut exactly where you set them. So that we get the right size product out every time. Ross here, also a little bit around, and Karen. So you've got a tiny little bar. Yeah, it's all got there. And it's going over here. And it's set up to do a certain size.
I'll never be the same again.
This is 40 bars per. All cut behind you. There we are. And this is where it does all the cutting, and all the tray bakes that come through are cut either on that machine or that one behind you. They're both the same machine. Made by they're American machines, by the way. Because when we bought them, you couldn't buy anything in England that would make them. But now, the next one we get will be what they call an ultrasonic machine, which is completely different. A machine like that's costs about £20,000. The new ultrasonic that we're about to buy costs about £80,000, which is a special cutter which will cut things that won't stick. It just cuts everything. It's ultrasonic where it... The young lady right. This is what I'm doing. You can see the local are not the same, but they don't. There's a label that goes on it. The first one we don't have a label on, but you'll see the labels are coming on now. And that's lemon shortbread in that one. That is working at the moment at about 100 a minute. And this thing here is what we call a lazy seat. You can stand there and tap it into the box. Completely computerized machine. You can plug it in and the property is closed.
When you're going for a rest, you can't. You just got to keep going, haven't you?
I'll leave you to it then.
Okay. What's the matter? What's the time? Alright, come on then. Off we go. Because most of it should be on this pallet backing, but we're waiting for a new pallet truck to come in to go through those doors. We can only use our pallet truck at the moment in the big thing. Until we get it through the doors, we can't use this bit, so that's why a lot of it's on the floor. This is where everything is packed up ready to go out, and Wes is doing that at the moment, which is still behind you. And this is where all the finished goods come in. Just tucked in behind you there are the minis, which I was telling you about.
Yeah.
And they're the ones that we send to the airlines, and we send to the railways, and we send to Marriott hotels who have 11,000. They are a major part of our business. 7 to 8, 5 days a week, and we work Saturday, sometimes in the morning, sometimes all day. From the 1st of October, we'll be doing 2 shifts. We'll be doing 6 o'clock till 2 o'clock, and then 2 till 10. Thank you very much for coming. We always love to take people around. It's a shame my son wasn't here. He loves it.
We might be booking another trip because there's a lot of us who couldn't help the subject.
Thank you very much. Right, lovely. Very kind of you to come.
Enjoy your granddaughter.
Yeah, well, now, an extra birthday, an extra Christmas present.
Money. So keep spending. Come on. Thank you very much. Bye-bye then. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
You want idle then when you're stuck on reception, then you've still got some packaging. Really.
said. And that's us outside the house. All those years ago.
That's absolutely